Happy World Naked Gardening Day, everyone. I just wanted to say hello to everyone, and I want to encourage everyone out there to go out and garden, present your experience to the world. Let everyone know how happy, how enthusiastic, and how excited you are about growing your own food, enjoying the delicious taste of them, and helping to secure our own food supply. So I think we found out that that's pretty important. But if there's one thing about this whole pandemic with the COVID hair don't care, it's that we have learned the importance of certain things, our health, our community, and being able to sustain ourselves. So go out there, get excited, get other people excited about this, and get busy in your garden. So I want to show you a few things that I'm excited about. Here is a guava, and this guava had overwintered, and that's the first time for this tree. And a lot of places in the United States that are in the Southwest, they have maybe one or two freezes, and most of their wintered fruit from the guava tree dies off. But this guy did not, and so I had two of these. And so it's a tropical pink guava. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. And the smell and aroma from this thing is out of this world. So I am going to enjoy this. Let's see here. See if I can get this on camera here. So, tropical pink guava. That is good. Tangy, a little bit sweet, but it is that quintessential guava flavor. That's fantastic. If you don't have a tropical pink guava and you're in the desert Southwest, you got to get yourself one. They do well in the winter here. They can handle a little bit of a freeze, but they are absolutely awesome. That was good. Now the next thing is these mulberries. I've been picking mulberries for the past 6 weeks. Every day I get about 3 handfuls of them, and they're just the perfect little treat, and perfectly sweet, perfectly tangy. Almost like an artificial grape flavor. There's actually probably 3 different grape flavors that come from one fruit depending on its actual ripeness. And so this one's interesting. It has half a green side and then half the ripened purple side. So I wonder how that's going to taste. So sweet. Get yourself a Pakistani mulberry. For the love of God, it is one of the best trees out there. It's the king of the desert here. Nothing can stop it. Another mulberry. Oh, guys, you gotta get yourself some. Anyways, I think it's time to get gardening. Got a little bit of sugar in me now, so I think I gotta do a lot of work in the garden. So let's go for a tour. Hey everybody, we are in the garden. Let's check this out. We got our beets growing on right here. Some beautiful beets. We have our green onion coming to seed right now. We got our butternut squash here. And this butternut squash is my favorite gourd here to grow in the desert because we have such high temperatures, and this can handle it as long as it has the water. And the butternut squash stores for a long time, so you can put it away in your pantry, and as long as it's air conditioned, it can last up to like 6 months. So a great food item to have on hand. And we have our romaine lettuce going to seed, and those are runner beans back there. Check how beautiful those flowers are. Yeah, the runner beans are like the Jack and the Beanstalk bean that will grow a mile high if you let it, and climbs up any trellis. We have here are the cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes here in the desert Southwest because they don't split like Roma or beefsteak, and they're great for salads, and they ripen successively, so you can have cherry tomatoes for a long time. I have pepper plants growing here. Bugs like to eat those. And I got some cucumber growing back there. I got some slips started for my sweet potato. I have carrot that is going to seed there. You can see that beautiful carrot flower. The bees are loving that earlier. And this is the pumpkin. So my son planted a pumpkin. That little monkey planted this pumpkin, just stuffed a whole pumpkin in the ground. And we are going to see how it's growing fine, but we'll see how it produces. And these are my little bean plants right here. I have some eggplant as well coming up. And here we have my zucchini. My zucchini are one of my favorite things to eat. I chop these into 1-inch steaks, put olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder on it, and they taste fantastic. And here, of course, we have our cilantro that has gone to seed. And this is coriander, if you dry this out and ground it up, or you can plant it next year. So anyways, I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of beets to remove, and those store nicely until I decide to cook them up. So I hope all you guys have enjoyed your time with me today. I hope you go out there on World Naked Gardening Day and have a great time. Thank you.